Hey guys, welcome to the Eldritch Orchard vacation vlogs. I took a vacation last year, and now we're putting it out.
Oh, sorry, don't mind me. I was just masturbating there.
So, last year I took a vacation to see Dr. Pink, and we recorded like every hour. You look really fucking mad, dude. Yeah, when I got back, I did it, but now we're uploading it now, so watch it.
I lost a lot of weight, by the way. I'm not as fat as I am in the video. We reported that like almost a year ago.
Jake did lose a lot of weight. His penis is a lot bigger.
My penis is a lot bigger.
Mine got smaller. And as the way we're gonna start all of these, we're gonna kiss. Get ready. What the?
Alright, you ready?
Just woke up. I'm back. Dr. Pink isn't here yet, but I'm in a much better state now. Got the fit on, vacation fit, so you know things are gonna get insane. He's gonna be here in like 30 minutes to an hour, so I'll see you then. Hey, okay, guys. Never mind, guys. We actually had to stop because Jake fucking needs gas.
I need gas.
Yeah, look at him. He's a fuck up.
Okay, that's really mean, man. I don't know why you said that.
You should have thought ahead of time.
Why is gas the
What's your PIN number?
What?
Okay, now I'm like waiting for them to both go to the bathroom. Both people that picked me up, Dr. Pink and Gavin, because apparently they have the tiniest bladders known to man. He's done pissing. He's finally done. How do you feel after a big piss? It took 20 minutes.
By myself this time.
I'm gonna have to help next time. It's the fucking Groomobile out there.
The groom? No, it's literally.
I
didn't even see that. That's an old ass fucking camper too. Holy shit.
We're hitting the highway. How fucking excited are you, Dr.
Yeah!
Ah!
Oh my god. That wasn't that song. It's pussy, right?
He fucking hated that.
So then why do I never
He hated
listen to
that
that
whole
song?
Smell that shit.
Smell that shit.
Nothing like a Cuban cigar.
Yes, of course. Actually, a Monte Cristo.
Get the fuck away from me! So basically, we've been driving all day, and Dr. Pink started bitching. I mean, I've been driving all day too. He's had 6 hours, I've had 2. We've really both been through it. And then I got a banana from the gas station. I'm in Connecticut now. This place sucks. Oh, the big city. The place where dreams come true.
This is Hartford. This place is a shithole.
We just got Raising Cane's, and now we're going to the fun zone. Doesn't that look fun?
Not really. Where do we even go?
Funbox.com. Just park here.
Never mind, we're not going to the fun zone because Jake's being a fucking asshole. And not because we actually found out there's a bunch of little kids in it.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at that.
It's for adults. Jake literally just locked me in a hot car and fucking left. I'm not even kidding. He's locking me in. What the fuck? We're here in Rob's.
What is he doing?
How does it feel driving to get me and bring me to your state even though I have a car? And I could have driven the whole way here. Is that your official comment?
I won.
Rob bought me ice cream.
They told me I was too fat, so I couldn't get ice cream.
What a fucking sucker. I could have bought my own.
They literally the lady at the Dairy Queen was like, "Ha, little fat boy, you're not getting any ice cream because you don't need it."
Yeah, she actually called him Pie Boy. That was pretty fucking mean.
She called me a fat fuck. It's like so unnecessary.
Connecticut fucking servers.
It's like, bitch, I'm like 15 years older than you. Like, what the fuck are you doing?
Now we're watching This Is the End.
Oh!
We're so excited. Wait, Jake, are your parents home?
This is the end!
We're so fucking excited!
Yeah!
Alright, wait. Rob, calm down.
Okay, my bad.
We're not that excited. You're being weird.
fucking
You know,
loud.
I'm stumped. Yeah, it's
So fucking loud.
Why do I hang out with you fucking guys?
Welcome to the 21st century, Buck Rogers. You designed to have us with fucking iPads in the walls. You're jerking your dick like a goddamn pilgrim. I'll come anywhere I want. I will fucking come right on you. I will come like a fucking madman all over you, nigga. Ooh, I fucking wish you'd come on me right now. I fucking dare you to come on me.
Is this the best movie ever made?
Yeah, don't help me.
I don't want to help you.
Making the man with arthritis.
You're really fucking taking your time, huh? First you make me drive 8 hours today, and now you're doing this. Why are you being an asshole? This is the end of the first day, and we just want to make sure that everybody knows we love our God and we love our country.
You guys liked the video, right?
You liked this video, right? While you were watching
Liked
it, you
the
liked the
video,
video?
right?
You liked
Like
it?
the video, right?
And if the
This
next
is
one
a-
is already uploaded, you're gonna click on it if it's next in the
This
playlist?
is a real gun with real bullets and not a BB gun at all. It's a
In a
real
video
gun.
game. In a video game. Minecraft's gun.
Minecraft gun's a real gun. This is the part of the video where we check Nick's bed for cum stains. Alright, let's go. Come
Stop!
on.
No!
My heart's adrift, caught in the waves of your gentle gift. No, I'm just a pair and you're from the sea. Across the ocean if you be with me.